Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The impact of a clogged exhaust on vehicle performance. Clogged exhaust systems can significantly impact your vehicle's performance. From decreased fuel efficiency to reduced engine power, a clog in the exhaust can lead to a range of issues that affect how your car operates. In this post, we will delve into the causes and symptoms of a clogged exhaust, as well as the potential repercussions on your vehicle's overall performance. Please do take a moment to subscribe to, comment, like and share our videos. Very many thanks for that. Understanding the signs and effects of a clogged exhaust is crucial for maintaining your car's optimal functioning and preventing costly repairs down the line. Understanding the exhaust system. The exhaust system in a vehicle is an essential component that plays a significant role in its overall performance. Understanding the various components of the exhaust system and their respective roles can provide insights into how it influences the vehicle's functionality. Components of the exhaust system. Exhaust manifold. This component collects exhaust gases from the engine cylinders and channels them toward the catalytic converter. Catalytic converter. As the exhaust gases pass through the catalytic converter, harmful pollutants such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides are converted into less harmful emissions. Muffler. The muffler is designed to reduce the noise produced by the exhaust system by creating acoustic waves that cancel out the harsh sounds. Exhaust pipe. Responsible for transporting the exhaust gases from the catalytic converter to the tailpipe and expelling them outside the vehicle. Role of the exhaust system in vehicle performance. The exhaust system contributes to the vehicle's performance in several ways. It helps maintain the optimal operation of the engine by expelling exhaust gases, allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently. Moreover, a well-functioning exhaust system ensures that the engine operates at the right temperature, preventing overheating and potential damage. In addition to safeguarding the engine, the exhaust system plays a crucial role in maintaining fuel efficiency. By effectively expelling exhaust gases and facilitating the smooth operation of the engine, the exhaust system supports better fuel economy. Understanding the exhaust system and its components sheds light on its importance in enhancing vehicle performance and overall functionality. Signs of a clogged exhaust. When a vehicle's exhaust system becomes clogged, it can lead to various performance issues that can affect the overall driving experience. Here are the common signs of a clogged exhaust. Decreased engine performance. One of the major indicators of a clogged exhaust is a noticeable decrease in engine performance. This can manifest as sluggish acceleration, reduced power, and an overall lack of responsiveness from the engine. When the exhaust flow is restricted, the engine is unable to expel gases efficiently, leading to compromised performance. Noisy engine operation. A clogged exhaust system can also cause the engine to operate noisily. This can include an increase in rumbling, rattling, or popping sounds coming from the vehicle's engine. The restriction in the exhaust can lead to increased pressure within the system, resulting in these disruptive noises during operation. Decreased fuel efficiency. Another sign of a clogged exhaust is a decrease in fuel efficiency. When the exhaust system is obstructed, it forces the engine to work harder, leading to an increased consumption of fuel to compensate for the reduced airflow. This can result in more frequent visits to the gas station and a noticeable decrease in miles per gallon. These signs collectively indicate potential issues with the vehicle's exhaust system, and prompt attention to address the underlying problem is crucial to maintaining optimal performance and efficiency. Common causes of exhaust clogs. Experiencing a clogged exhaust can be a frustrating and concerning issue for any vehicle owner. Several factors can contribute to exhaust clogs, impacting the overall performance and efficiency of your vehicle. Below are some common causes of exhaust clogs to be aware of. Carbon buildup. Over time, carbon buildup can accumulate within the exhaust system, particularly in the exhaust pipes and muffler. This buildup is often a byproduct of incomplete fuel combustion and can restrict the flow of exhaust gases. As a result, it can lead to decreased engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Regular maintenance and engine checks can help prevent excessive carbon buildup. Malfunctioning catalytic converter. The catalytic converter plays a crucial role in reducing harmful emissions by converting toxic byproducts of combustion into less harmful substances. However, a malfunctioning or failing catalytic converter can lead to exhaust restriction and decreased engine performance. Common causes of catalytic converter issues include engine misfires, fuel system problems, and physical damage to the converter itself. Exhaust system leaks. Leakage within the exhaust system, whether from damaged pipes or faulty gaskets, can also contribute to exhaust clogs. These leaks can disrupt the proper flow of exhaust gases, leading to a decrease in engine power and efficiency. Identifying and repairing exhaust system leaks is essential for maintaining optimal vehicle performance and preventing further damage to the exhaust system. Understanding these common causes of exhaust clogs is crucial for proactive vehicle maintenance and addressing potential issues before they escalate. Regular inspections and prompt repairs can help ensure that your vehicle's exhaust system functions efficiently and optimally, contributing to a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Impact of a clogged exhaust on vehicle performance. Engine overheating. When your vehicle's exhaust system becomes clogged, it can lead to serious implications for your engine's performance. One of the most critical issues that arise from a clogged exhaust is the increased risk of engine overheating. The restricted flow of exhaust gases can result in a buildup of heat within the engine compartment, potentially causing damage to vital components and reducing the engine's overall efficiency. Reduction in horsepower. A clogged exhaust can significantly impede the expulsion of exhaust gases from the engine, leading to a reduction in horsepower. As the exhaust flow becomes restricted, the engine is unable to operate at its optimal capacity, resulting in diminished power output. This can make acceleration sluggish and compromise the overall performance of the vehicle. Damage to engine components. In addition to affecting the engine's temperature and power output, a clogged exhaust can also lead to damage to various engine components. The increased pressure within the exhaust system can cause stress on the engine, leading to potential cracks or leaks in the exhaust manifold or the catalytic converter. This can result in costly repairs and a compromised driving experience. By understanding the impact of a clogged exhaust on vehicle performance, drivers can take proactive measures to address potential issues and ensure the efficient operation of their vehicles. Diagnosing and resolving exhaust clogs. Visual inspection of the exhaust system. When diagnosing and resolving exhaust clogs, the first step is to visually inspect the exhaust system. Look for signs of physical damage, such as dents, holes, or rust. Pay close attention to the catalytic converter, muffler, and exhaust pipes. Check for any loose or hanging components that could obstruct the flow of exhaust gases. Additionally, inspect the exhaust hangers and mounts to ensure they are secure and in good condition. Using diagnostic tools. Utilizing diagnostic tools can aid in pinpointing the location and severity of exhaust clogs. An exhaust back pressure gauge can measure the pressure within the exhaust system, identifying any restrictions that may be hindering proper flow. Additionally, an infrared thermometer can be used to detect temperature variations along the exhaust system, potentially indicating a blockage. These diagnostic tools provide valuable data to accurately diagnose the root cause of the exhaust clog. Repairing or replacing exhaust components. Once the exhaust clog is identified, the next step is to repair or replace the affected exhaust components. This may involve patching small holes, welding cracked pipes, or replacing the catalytic converter or muffler if they are beyond repair. When replacing components, it's crucial to use high-quality, OEM or aftermarket parts to ensure proper fit and functionality. After repairs or replacements are made, perform another visual inspection and diagnostic test to confirm that the exhaust system is free from obstructions and operating optimally. Preventive maintenance for the exhaust system. Regular inspection and cleaning. Regular inspection and cleaning of the exhaust system is crucial to ensure optimal vehicle performance. Over time, the exhaust system can accumulate dirt, debris, and even corrosion, which can lead to clogs and leaks. By inspecting the system regularly, you can identify and address any issues before they escalate. Additionally, cleaning the exhaust system, including the catalytic converter and muffler, can help prevent clogs and maintain efficient exhaust flow. Using high-quality fuel and oil. The quality of fuel and oil used in your vehicle can significantly impact the health of the exhaust system. Low-quality fuel and oil can leave deposits in the exhaust system, leading to clogs and reduced performance. Opt for high-quality, clean fuel and oil to minimize the buildup of deposits and prolong the life of your exhaust system. Professional maintenance services. Seeking professional maintenance services for your exhaust system is essential for long-term performance and efficiency. Professional mechanics have the expertise and tools to conduct thorough inspections, clean the system effectively, and address any underlying issues. This proactive approach can save you from costly repairs down the road and ensure that your exhaust system functions optimally. By incorporating these preventive maintenance measures, you can uphold the health and performance of your vehicle's exhaust system, ultimately contributing to a smoother and more efficient driving experience. In conclusion, a clogged exhaust can significantly impact your vehicle's performance. It can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, engine misfires, and a noticeable lack of power. By understanding the signs of a clogged exhaust and taking proactive measures to address the issue, you can ensure that your vehicle operates at its optimal level. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any exhaust-related concerns are crucial for preserving your vehicle's performance and longevity. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.